Hello students, good morning to everyone. In last part we have completed this chapter Children at Work. In today's video we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. So firstly we are discussing the first part. Question number 1. Velu stood on the platform but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? When Velu came out from the train, still he felt he was in a moving train. Why he felt that thing? Velu had run away from home and he is just only 11 years old. He had fear in his mind. He was very tired also, hungry also. So still due to all these things, he was feeling very tired and exhausted. So that's why we can say when he was standing on the platform, then still he felt he was in a moving train. Then question number 2. What made him feel miserable? Same points you can write. He ran away from home, he was hungry, he was tired, and you can say only he ate he ate only just a piece of jaggery and some peanuts. So that's why he was feeling miserable. He was tired, very tired. Then question number 3. Velu traveled without a ticket. Why? Because he didn't have money. That's why he had to travel without a ticket. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Velu didn't have money, so that's why he didn't have ticket, and the ticket collector ticket collector didn't come in the unreserved. He was in unreserved general compartment. So ticket collector didn't come there. That's why he was able to save himself from the attention of a ticket collector. Then question number 4. Why had Velu run away from home? Velu had different reasons for that. Actually, Velu's father, he used to beat him every day. Velu was not getting good treatment in his home. His father used to snatch his money, so that's why he ran away from home. Then question number 5. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Velu was new to that city. He didn't know anyone, and that girl helped him in getting food. So that's why finally he decided to follow that girl. Then next part, second part, we will discuss the question answer. In question number 1, can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Velu is not able to read English. How can you say this? Because when Velu was passing along the roadside, then big signboards were there, and on those signboards, which language was used? English language was used. So that's why he was not able to read those signboards. But then second point, how can we say he can read Tamil? Then when they were passing by Central Jail, then Central Jail, this wording is written in the Tamil, and he was able to read these words. So we can say he can read Tamil. Then second question, if you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. This statement is given from the chapter second part, and this is the statement of that girl. So some questions are based on this statement. First one, what is she referring to? She is referring to the central jail, means she is talking about the central jail. Then second question, what does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? She says something a little later which means the same. Find that sentence. She pointed out to Velu that doing wrong was not so important as escaping the police or getting caught. That girl wants to say, suppose if you did something wrong, then it is not, means there is no problem. Only just you don't have to be caught by the police, means you should escape. And this sentence, here you have to write the sentence, you don't have to do anything, just don't get caught, that's all. This sentence is given in the second part. Then third question, where did the girl lead Velu to? The girl led Velu to a marriage hall. What did they get to eat? They got some food from that garbage bin. It was left over. They got banana, vada was there. These things you can write here. Then next, what work did she do? Think of a one word answer. In one word, you have to tell what is the work of that girl. If you read the chapter properly, now I think so you are having answer. Rag picker. What is the answer? Rag picker. Then part number third. This is our last part. Then see this. What material are the strange hearts made out? First part. The material which is used to make hut, means in city the huts were made by tires, plastics, all these, and in village the houses were made from mud and palm leaves. Then second, why does Velu find them strange? Because Velu was living in a village and their houses were made from palm leaves and mud, and he didn't see these types of hut in his life, so that's why he was feeling strange, because these huts were made with the help of tires, with the help of plastics, all this type of material. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect, and what did they do with those things? Jaya and other children like her collected paper, plastic and glass. All these waste material they used to collect, and they sold all these things to any junk dealer or to any kabadi. Our name is also given in the text. What is the name of junk dealer here? Jam Bazaar Jaggu is given. Then third, is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer. Velu is not happy because he didn't come to that city to do the work of rag picking. But Velu is a good boy. According to him, he thought if till the time he would get a better work, then he will do this work. So we can say Velu was not happy. He had never done such a dirty job in his village. So that's why we can say he was not happy in that work. Some questions are given here also, you can see. Discuss the following question in small group. Write their answers afterward. is value a smart boy, which instance in the text show that he is or not. Can we say value is a smart boy? We should run from our home. No, we should not run from our home. No doubt his father was wrong, but one person should, especially an 11-year-old boy, should not leave his home. So we can't say value is a smart boy. Then, do you think Jaya is a brave and sensitive child with a sense of humor? Find instance of her courage, kind nature, and humor in the text. In this, you will write down how was the nature of Jaya, was she funny and all. You will write all these things. Jaya is a brave. Yes, we can say she was brave, confident. Simply, you need to write how was the nature of Jaya. She was helpful also, we can say. What one throw away as waste may be valuable to others. Do you find this sentence meaningful in the context of this story? How? When we were doing this topic, then at that time also we have discussed we should not waste food. Maybe that is waste for us, but other person like means value, Jaya, these type of children, they are in need of that. So we should not waste means like Jaya. She was a rag picker. She was collecting plastic, paper, glass, and all these things. That is waste for us, but that is valuable for them. Why it is valuable for them? Because Jaya used to collect these materials and then she used to get money by selling that material. So this is your chapter.